Hello and welcome to Dishing Delights. My name is Jenica and today I am going to share with you what we had for dinner this week. Let's get into it. Alright, I am going to make some firecracker salmon. Now I am saving the other half for another dinner. I'm just going to toss this in the freezer. All right, and then I'm just going to cut this into 3 different pieces. I just keep the skin on. Clearly I need to sharpen my knives. All right, now I have my salmon steaks. I am going to set these right into my pan. And now we'll make the seasoning. All right, I'm going to just make my own rub. I'm going to add a little bit of maple syrup and just a hint of honey. We're gonna make a sweet and spicy salmon. I have some paprika here. Some onion powder. A little bit of cumin. Some crushed red pepper flakes. What else do I want? A little bit of sriracha. And that's it. I'm just going to stir and put this on top of the salmon. Yum. The oven is at 450. And I'll check on those in about 12 minutes. Oh, even my oven door is dirty. Awesome! Alright, let's open up our big old container of rice. I can't find what I usually measure with. So I am just doing 1 part water, 1 part rice. So I'm going to rinse this. All right, I'm going to rinse it. Like I said, 1 part rice to 1 part water. And it's as easy as that. I'll just let it come back up to temp. Once this is done, I'll just let it naturally release, and then our rice is completely finished. Alright, let's check these out. Nice. Give you a little look. Now I'm just waiting for my rice to finish up, and then it's dinner time. Alright, it has been naturally releasing 10 minutes. And then you have perfect, fluffy rice. And this will last us throughout the week. I have my rice here. And I'm going to add in my salmon. And that is tonight's super simple dinner. The next meal we are going to make is a Philly cheesesteak ramen. I was just winging it this night. I had ground beef that needed to be used up, along with some veggies in the fridge. I was eating leftover salmon and rice this day, so when my husband came home from fishing, he said he wanted just ramen. And I wanted to make it a little bit better than that. So I browned up some ground beef, added in some green peppers and some mushrooms, and the smell of this dish was absolutely insane. I didn't show this, but after he took a bite, I was like, it needs cheese, doesn't it? And he was like, I won't say no. So I added in a handful of white cheddar cheese, and he was in heaven. So we have now entered into a world where Philly cheesesteak ramen exists, and I really need to make this for myself one day soon. Like I said before, this smell was insane. I needed it in like candle form. Can you imagine walking to somebody's house and it smells like Philly cheesesteaks, and they're like, oh, you're making Philly cheesesteak, and you're just like, no, it's my candle. Oh my gosh. Anyways, you need to make this for your family because it was delicious. I only had a bite, but next time I'm making the whole thing for myself. I did only add in 1 cup of water. That way that this was not soupy at all. If you would like it a little more soupy, add chicken stock or water or whatever you would like. I did also add in the ramen packet and about a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, because Worcestershire sauce in ground beef recipes is the move. And that is what's for dinner tonight. The next meal I made was a chicken spinach and mushroom pizza. I am going to share this recipe with you tomorrow in my What I Eat in a Day video. I have been making pizza every Friday night, and this was this Friday night's edition. I also was able to just put the rest in my fridge, and I did eat this on another night as well with a side salad. And for our final dinner, we had chicken fajitas and beef quesadillas. So I just threw a bunch of diced onions and diced peppers into this cast iron skillet that has about 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. And I'm going to caramelize these, so that'll take about 10 to 15 minutes. I am making 2 different meals tonight. For myself, I'm going to make some chicken fajitas, and then I'm going to make some beef quesadillas for my husband. I already have this chicken marinating in all its deliciousness. This has been in the fridge for 2 days, so this will be very flavorful. And I have the oven at 350 degrees. I'll probably actually pop it up to 400 degrees. And then we'll just keep these in there until they're all cooked through. Got a little bit of salt. That's much better. I'm going to pull these off of the heat. Apparently I'm just going to use up all of my dishes today. Here, I have some ground beef in here. Has some peppers in it. This is from some leftovers. We're just gonna heat that up and then we will make our quesadillas. Alright, that's heated up. Just added some of my cheese, a little bit of my peppers, a little bit of my meat. Try not to overstuff them. And I'm going to add these to the pan. I'm hoping these tortillas don't break on me because these are a couple days old. I'll get you some better lighting. Now I have these on low heat. I'm nervous. I don't want them to burn. Okay, they're perfect. Got a little bit of butter, just for a little bit more flavor. I just pulled my chicken out of the oven because that was done. I turned the broiler on and I'm gonna let the peppers go for just a little bit longer. Right here. Check that. That is perfect. Right here's my husband's quesadillas. There are his quesadillas with the side of sour cream. Just got done heating up my tillas. Gonna go get my peppers. I mean, look at that. Going to toss in a couple pieces of chicken in each one. Load it up with peppers. I'm going to add a little bit of cheese. And some green onions. And that is what's for dinner. And I just got done filming. I'm having 2 fajitas for dinner. This is all of our leftovers.
For the rest of our dinners this week, we enjoyed lots of leftovers. I hope you enjoyed coming along as I made dinners this week. If you like this video, please like or subscribe. Leave a comment down below letting me know your thoughts on the video. It really helps me out. And if you would like to be notified the next time I upload, be sure to hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching.